What's up, you guys? I was about to do like a peace sign and I stopped myself. Good morning, you guys. I am about to make a cappuccino after my morning yoga. They're cleaning the windows in my apartment, so if you hear anything strange, that's what's going on. So yeah, welcome to a day in my life. We're gonna see what I eat today. Lots of strawberry stuff I've got planned. And yeah, let's get that cappuccino started. And it did so much foam, dude. That's that milk froth there. So I'm gonna make these oatmeal parfait kind of things. And we're gonna start out with this kind of pukey looking, not so appetizing oatmeal, but it's gonna get better, I promise. I've got some raspberries and blackberries just frozen. I popped in here and I added a little bit of almond milk to loosen it up a bit. And then the final product. Honestly, this was super easy. I just put it in these like regular drinking glasses and added a little bit of almond milk and topped it with some shredded coconut. I fanned out a couple strawberries and there you have it. While I was making this super easy oatmeal, Doug was whipping up some delicious food for us as well. Doug's trying to hide from my video, but he's the one responsible for this toasty toast. It is kale on top of Ezekiel bread with some cherry tomatoes and coriander. It's gonna be yummy. Thanks, Doug. So, I'm not gonna lie, normally I probably wouldn't have two things for breakfast. I would just usually stick with maybe the oatmeal, but Doug made that awesome toast, so ain't gonna say no to that. Now I'm gonna hop in the shower and then get some work done, and I'll see you guys back at lunch. All right, now it's time for lunch. We've got raw pecan pieces from TJ's and put some organic maple on them and candied them with a little bit of cinnamon, little salt. Those are gonna go on top of our salad. Tossed these strawberries in this balsamic glaze, and then I've got this vegan mozzarella and popped it all on this beautiful pizza I'm gonna put in the oven. And then a rocket salad with tomatoes, mozzarella, shaved carrots, and we're gonna put this green goddess dressing on it. So I'm so full from that super huge lunch today that I think I'm just gonna do some black rice and pop a couple frozen strawberries in when I'm boiling the rice so it gets like sweet and delicious strawberry flavor. And I've actually done that recently for breakfast and it was so good. So yeah. So we've got our black rice boiling in here, and I put about a cup and a half of black rice to 3 cups of water, and then I'm gonna add this. It says it's 3/4 cup, but I kind of overfilled it. So it's probably about a cup of strawberries to this in just a couple minutes. Once it's kind of boiled for maybe I'd say 5 minutes, and then I'll add those in and I'll let that finish cooking. And then it'll be the most delicious sweet treat. It's so good for breakfast. It's so good for lunch, dinner, whatever. And I'm using these strawberries that I buy from grocery outlet here in Portland, and this whole bag, 4 pounds of strawberries, is only $7.99, so it's such a good deal. All right, I'm just gonna quickly add these strawberries. Oh, got a little bit of splatter action there, and I'll cover that back up. The black rice is looking so good.
So ready.
It's so good. Try some. Very yummy.
Damn.
I know. I figured I'd go ahead and get a head start on my popcorn. I got out the popcorn maker. This is by Cuisinart. I never really know how to say that right. And I just got this stuff. I've never tried it, but it's like coconut oil with organic butter flavor. It's vegan, of course. And I was excited to try this because I wanted to not only bake with it, but also put it on popcorn, because I feel like that even though Nooch is really good on popcorn, I really want that like super buttery flavor all over it, plus the Nooch. Yeah, so we're gonna try that. Look at how awesome that butter turned out. It smells like popcorn. Oh, we got a straggler there. Smells like the popcorn you get at the movies. And Doug looked this up to see what this organic vegan butter flavor is. Fermented sunflower, mint, and coconut is the organic butter flavor. So for all you haters out there on butter flavor, hate no more. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making the food and eating it. So I'll definitely be making more of these videos in the future. Let me know if you guys liked it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, baby. See you guys next time.